Hey everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to get trading cards on Steam. So let's get started. So first of all, you want to log in into your account here in the Steam app, and then from here what you want to do is go into your inventory. So to do that, you want to click here on your profile on the top right and click on view my profile. And from here you would want to click here on inventory, and now you would want to find the games here that you would want to view your cards in. So for example, here in Steam I have these cards from the Dota 2 game. So from here what you want to do is that you want to click here on view badge progress, and from here you should now be able to see all of the cards and so on, and it would tell you right here on how do I earn the card drop. So you want to click here, and from here you would now be able to see your progress to the next card drop. So you would need to spend approximately $9 USD per card drop right here. This is for my case right here. You might have a different one right here depending on your spending and how much you have played a game. So basically you would need to play the game and spend right here. So card drops in free to play games are rewards for spending money in game. And you are now also available for a booster pack. So you can also receive a booster pack right here. So once you have received all of your card drops, you become eligible for this one. So basically, these are granted randomly to eligible users as more badges are crafted by members of the community. So yeah, this is basically on how you can get your cards here on Steam for all the games that you will be playing here. So if you'd want to collect, then you would need to spend and just basically play the game. Yeah, that is basically it for this video.